Swap the pie. These pumpkin bars are quicker, gluten-free, and totally craveable. These gluten-free pumpkin bars use coconut flour to stay light but satisfy big fall cravings. Start with canned pumpkin, maple syrup for sweetness, eggs, cinnamon, nutmeg, clove. Then fold in coconut flour and a touch of baking powder. Coconut flour soaks up moisture, giving you a tender, cake-like crumb without the gluten. Bake until edges are golden and a toothpick comes out clean. About 20 to 25 minutes. Let them cool, then top with a dollop of Greek yogurt or a light cream cheese glaze for extra cozy vibes. These bars are naturally packed with fiber, lower in refined sugar, and perfect for lunchboxes, coffee breaks, or dessert after dinner. Want the recipe link? Check the description for full measurements and step-by-step tips. Try them this weekend. Fall just got simpler and tastier.